Have you ever walked through Miami's lush landscapes, admiring the vibrant greenery, and wondered if some of those beautiful plants might actually be doing more harm than good? It is true that many of our tropical plants are stunning, but not all of them belong here, and some can even threaten our native ecosystems. Identifying these plants is a crucial step in protecting our natural environment. To directly answer your question, you can identify Arrowhead Vine in Miami primarily by its distinctive arrow-shaped leaves, which undergo a remarkable transformation as the plant matures. Younger leaves are typically simple and shaped like an arrowhead or heart, while older leaves develop into deeply lobed, often 5 to 9 segmented forms, resembling fingers or a star. The core reason this plant is so easy to spot once you know what to look for lies in its unique growth pattern and leaf metamorphosis. Scientifically known as Syngonium podophyllum, Arrowhead vine is a vigorous climber that originated in Central and South America. It thrives in Miami's warm, humid climate because it quickly outcompetes native vegetation for sunlight and resources. This plant often starts as a ground cover but will readily climb trees and structures using aerial roots, forming dense mats that smother other plants. This aggressive climbing habit and its changing leaf shapes are key indicators. To effectively identify Arrowhead vine, start by observing its leaves at various stages of growth. Look for the younger, more obvious arrow or heart-shaped leaves, often found closer to the ground. Then, trace the plant to find older leaves higher up, which will display the characteristic lobed, multi-segmented appearance. Pay close attention to the stem. A mature arrowhead vine will have a thick, woody stem that often feels slightly rough due to numerous aerial roots clinging to surfaces. You will also notice its leaves vary in color, typically vibrant green, but sometimes featuring white or silver variegation, especially in cultivated varieties that have escaped into the wild. An interesting detail is that arrowhead vine was originally introduced to Florida as a popular ornamental houseplant due to its attractive foliage and easy care. However, its robust nature means it readily escapes cultivation and becomes a formidable invasive species, particularly in South Florida's sensitive habitats like the Everglades fringes and urban green spaces. Knowing its scientific name, Syngonium podophyllum, helps in understanding its botanical classification and its close relatives. Recognizing this plant helps us maintain the ecological balance of our precious Miami ecosystems. By learning to spot arrowhead vine, you contribute to preserving Miami's unique biodiversity. This knowledge empowers you to differentiate between benign tropical flora and invasive species, helping to protect our native plants and ensuring our natural spaces remain as healthy and vibrant for future generations to enjoy.